this video, we'll explore how to create a dotted line in Canva. Let's dive in. Start by heading to the Elements panel in Canva. Look for the Lines category within the Shape section. Explore the different types of lines available, including dotted lines. Select a dotted line and place it where you want in your design. Adjust the line by clicking and dragging the endpoints to resize it. To keep the line straight, hold the Shift key while dragging. Customize your dotted line by changing properties like line color, line style, and line weight. You can also choose rounded endpoints for a different look. Experiment with adding arrows at the ends. Or making the line curved if needed. And there you have it. You now know how to create dotted lines in Canva. Feel free to play around with different styles and designs. Thanks for watching.